Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, my YouTube friends. How are you? So today we are going to learn 20 fruit vocabulary. So the first is guava. What is it called? Guava. Right. So this is watermelon. Watermelon. This fruit is called watermelon, right? Okay, this is called jujube. It's not jujube. Some people call it jujube, but it's not. It's jujube, right? So you have to say it jujube. Next is raspberry. There are a lot of kinds of berries, but here I am just putting a raspberry and one more. So this one is raspberry. Okay, this is lychee. Lychee, right. Say it one more time. Lychee. So this is called grapefruit. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, must comment if you want to ask anything. This is called grapefruit. Must practice all these fruit names at your home. Just try to replace every fruit name in English so that it may help you to learn English fast. This is called peach. Some people confuse peach with apricot, but both of the fruits are different. That one is peach. Okay, this is muskmelon. See, it's a slight bit different from melon, and melon is of yellow color. So that's called muskmelon. Okay, this one is called loquat. Loquat. Yes, this one is called loquat. Okay, so this fruit is called fig. It's a really like rare fruit. I don't know. It's fig, by the way. Okay, this is persimmon. Persimmon. I personally don't like persimmon much, but let me know in the comment section which fruit you like most. Just put any fruit that you like in the comment section, right? Okay, this one is pineapple. What is it called? That's called pineapple. Pineapple. This is really expensive fruit. I've just heard about it, but I don't know exactly. I've never bought this fruit ever till now. So this fruit is called dragon fruit. What is it called? Dragon fruit. This is called mulberry. 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 The next is called lime fruit. This is called lime. You can either say lime or you can say lime fruit. I've told you this. This one is called apricot. The previous one's called peach. Apricot looks like this, right? So don't confuse yourself with peach and apricot. This one is apricot. And the last is grapes. There are two colors. One is green. That's also called grapes. And the purple one is also called grapes. So don't confuse yourself. So see you in the next video. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.